Welcome to PFTV, Spetu Asanda. Asanda, talk to me, my brother. How did you see the game?
Yeah, I'm gonna start by saying my coach once said, Lago Orlando Pirates only have impact players. That means aliko a player Lago Orlando Pirates esithi lingcono kunelinye, but uma enikezwe i-chance nanoma ubani wenza umsebenzi. So that is why ubone lesa statement sasho coach ukuthi la ku Orlando Pirates unama impact players kuphela. Means ngamanye amagama uma abantu beqala ukcriticize player thizeni akayisupport leyo nto. Siyasekana because of uyazi ukuthi kumele kunikeze amanye ama player chance. Yeah, that is why namhlanje ubona le game iso asithembelanga kubani but siyazi ukuthi wonke ama player nendima ayidlalayo. Yeah. And namhlanje urile mina nje udlala indima enkulu namhlanje ngizwile member mayiqeda ukusuka la ithi urile ubuyile uqinisile. Urile is back and we want to say to him boy please pick up again ungayeki up until isiqede le kudla le season sivale kamnandi sivale abanye umlomo bekade bekhuluma bathi iPirates angeke yenze next inama game in hand akwasebenzisa but sifuna ubakhombisa ke namhlanje ukuthi lama game in hand sowasebenzisa ngoba manje sesikhuluma enye topic namhlanje abanye ke babuyile eAfrica asenandaba nabasikhuluma ngabo lapho namhlanje thina le iligi sayicontest ngiyakutshela mina
Say contest or siyayithatha?
Siyayithatha ukuyicontest ukuthi means ngamanye amagama siyayithatha my leader.
Yeah.
So pick up nakumakhawula indoda evula ifridge ngenalutho abungeke ujumpe umakhawula lapha udlala enye indima enkulu ngoba uphethe la isisu umakhawula ngeke umjumpe ubambe yonke into lapha esiswini kwenza sure ukuthi adominate uye umuntu bengeke ngimnike urile if urile azange assist bese aphinde futhi akora but ngoba ngimnika man of the match urile because uassistile wakora means ngamanye amagama uyadeserve mara umakhawula esiswini boy namhlanje yeah
He was a man of the match.
Now I urile nginikeza urile because of inama reasons athizo nginikeza urile because of ukwazi uassista waphinda futhi wakora so that's a huge thing la yenzi kakhulu namhlanje. Yeah.
Then what do you think of the arena, man? You saw Orlando change.
Orlando changed, boy. Orlando changed. Uyabala. Ayitshintshile boy. Kuhle yabona yazini sijabule kakhulu Orlando the way ngakhona. Ayikhombisa ukuthi vele South Africa kuyaphakanyiswa manje. Orlando Amstel Arena.
So who inspires your dress code to fit? Every time we do an interview, you seem like you produce new stuff.
Yeah, man, yazi ukuthina angithi manje masizalana kumele masifika sikhombisa ukuthi Orlando Pirates njengoba ubona kushintshiwe nala nathi kumele sichintshe nathi.
Orlando Pirates South Africa.
David Nopakani Asanda ngoba.
Orlando Pirates